Good evening. Welcome to America's Got Talent.
I'm a little afraid now. I don't know what's going to happen.
Yeah.
And you are you. What do you have a name? Go ahead and do what it is you do.
La la la, yeah yeah la la, yeah 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 yeah. La la la, yeah yeah la la, yeah 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 yeah. La la la, yeah yeah la la, yeah 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 yeah. La la la, yeah yeah la la, yeah 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 yeah. Coconut, 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 coconut,
The coconut nut is a giant nut. If you eat too much, you get very fat. Now, the coconut nut is a big, big nut, but this delicious nut is not a nut. It's the cocoa fruit.
it's the cocoa fruit
Of the cocoa tree.
of the cocoa tree.
From the cocoa palm family.
And let me tell you something. This song was beautiful.
Yeah.
Your voice
Thank you.
was beautiful. You know, where you were singing like somebody else's song before. I know who wrote this song, but you made it your version. Your tone, your pitch was stunning. It was laid back. And let me tell you, your dad is going to be so proud of you.